In this video, we are going to see examples of Bitquery Pump.Fun APIs. All the API links will be in the description along with the Bitquery Telegram channel link where you can ask your doubts. You can test the APIs on id.bitquery.io. You just have to sign up as a developer first and you will get the 10,000 free points to run your queries. We are going to see three APIs related to Pump.Fun in this tutorial. First one will be to track DEX trades on Pump.Fun in real time. Second one will be to get all the methods of Pump.Fun program. And third one will be to track newly created tokens on Pump.Fun in real time. So make sure first that this is EAP. Now let's get started with our first API. In this query, we will track DEX trades on Pump.Fun in real time. Select Solana, then DEX trades. Then put a filter for Pump.Fun DEX using where set trade DEX protocol family protocol name as pump. And we are going to put also one more filter which is going to be transaction result success to be true, as we don't want failed transactions in our response. Now we are going to select the fields we need info about. Select instruction, program method. This will tell us which method of the program has been called. And then we are going to select the trade details. Under trade, we are going to select buy, and under buy, account address, and then amount, and then some currency details like name, mint address, and also the symbol, and one more thing, URI. Now select DEX details, program family, program address, and protocol name. And now I'm going to select the sell side just like the buy side. Account address, amount, currency details, name, mint address, symbol, and also URI. You can select prices on both sides to get the price of the token. And now I'm going to select transaction signature to look the transaction or the trade on Solscan. And now one more thing, I'll need to change this query keyword to subscription. And now this query will act as a WebSocket and give us a continuous stream of DEX trades on Pump.Fun. Now I'll stop the query because I don't want to exhaust my credits. This is the result. Now moving on to the second API, we will be getting all the methods of the Pump.Fun program. Select Solana and under that instructions. So we're going to select the filter here using where, and under that select instruction and then program and then name as pump. And now I'm going to select the fields we need info about. I'm going to select instruction program method and also its address. And I've also selected the count which will give us the number of times each method has been called in the past 8 hours. Now run the query. So we have got a result. We can see our program address is this. We can see this create method, right? Also the withdraw method, sell, buy. These are used for DEX trades. We're going to be using this method create as a filter in our third API. And in there, we will be fetching for newly created tokens, Pump.Fun. Now move on to the third API. In this, we will track newly created tokens on Pump.Fun DEX. Select Solana, instructions, and under that, in where we will put our filter as instruction program method as create. You're also going to select our address, or let's select the protocol name as pump. We're going to select these two things in the filter, and now we're going to select the fields we need info about. We're going to select instruction, then accounts, and then address, is it writable or not, and the token details if it is associated with it, and then logs, we might need them, and then program. Under program, we need to select account names, address, arguments. Let's select name, type, value. Under value, we need to select all the data types and then select method and then name. Select transaction signature also so that you can look this transaction on Solscan. And now change the query keyword to subscription so that this will act as a WebSocket and we will be able to continually track the newly created tokens in real time on Pump.Fun DEX. Let's stop the query. So you can see this accounts array, right? And under that, you can see all these addresses. So this is account names array, right? So these account names basically correspond to each of the addresses in the accounts array we saw above. So this API is basically for tracking the newly created or launched tokens on Pump.Fun DEX, right? So if you want to get the token contract address of newly created token, then this mint here in account names will correspond to that address, the newly created or launched token address, which is here the first address in the accounts array. You can see the URI of the newly created token, and this is a transaction signature. These were the Bitquery APIs for Pump.Fun DEX. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.